Hi, it's Haley from the U.S. Globe Coordination Office, and today I'm going to talk about using the Globe Observer app to record your green down data. The Globe Observer app makes it super easy to record your data outside right at your tree, and the neat thing is that the plant color guide is incorporated into the app. Once you are a trained Globe educator and you log in with your Globe account, you will see this data entry button appear at the top of your screen. Click Data Entry, and then you're going to click New Observation. The green down section is under Biosphere, and you will click that and then scroll down to the bottom to click Continue. Here you can take a look at the sites you already have or add a new site location. I'm going to add a new site location by clicking the gray button. And I can change the name that was automatically given. So I'm going to delete that and put in the name of my school or my site or some other identifier and click Save. Now I can add the information about my plant. So I'm monitoring one plant in the understory, and it is a tree. So I'm going to click that. Now I have to add in the genus and the species for my tree, which I can look up in a local plant guide. Mine is a sugar maple, so I will type in Acer for the genus and Saccharum for the species. Then I'm going to add the label I put on my flagging tape to identify my tree and click Next. If I'm recording data from a different date or time, I can edit that here, and then I will click Greening Green Down. I live in an area that just has one growing season cycle, so I'll click 1, and now I see my tree here. Under Leaf 1, I'm going to click Leaf State. I can choose Color Change, Fallen if the leaf has fallen off the tree, or Snow Covered. Mine, I'm just recording the color. So I'll click Done, and then I'll click Select the Leaf Color. This is the neat part because the whole plant color guide is in the app, and I can scroll through all the colors and hold them up next to my leaf. Just make sure the brightness is all the way up on your phone or tablet. Let's see how this looks in the field. Out at my tree, I'm recording data for leaf 1. So I'm first going to choose the leaf that I marked with 1 dot. Then I'm going to scroll through the plant color guide until I find the color that best matches the color of my leaf. When I'm happy, I'll click the little check mark up in the top right-hand corner. If your leaf has more than one color on it, only record the most dominant color of that leaf. Then I will repeat the process for the next 3 leaves that I'm monitoring. Once I'm finished choosing the colors for all 4 of the leaves I'm monitoring, I can scroll down to the bottom and add in any other comments that are relevant. This could have to do with any weather or extreme weather that's happening in my area, or any other seasonal changes that I'm noticing around me. When I'm finished, I'm going to click Review, and I have a chance to look at the information I've entered and edit it if I need to. Then I'll click Finish, and now my data has been saved on my device. If I'm out in the field and I don't have Wi-Fi, everything's saved, and I can go back to an area with Wi-Fi to submit my data. When I'm ready to submit, I will click Send these measurements now. And I will see that it's preparing and sending my data, and I know it's done when I see the little success window pop up. And now I've completed all of my data entry for this visit out to my tree.